How do we get the file when the order is placed? We answered that a bit earlier. And always in the order dashboard of your e-commerce, you will see in every order data the information of the customization. In this case, we uploaded an image, and you see that you have links to download everything. The preview that the customer sees, and that will be the preview. The production URL, this is the print file that is like this, is really high quality printable PNG. And also whatever image the customers uploaded will be here listed as the original image in the upload your photo or upload photo 1, 2, and 3. So everything is kept in our server. You have links for everything, and you can retrieve the original image if you need to. This runs equally for all e-commerce platforms that we integrate with.